Good evening, fellow makers. It is Chris from Props3D coming to you late on a Friday night, and as usual on a Friday night, I am working on props. In this case, I just finished off what is now my new favorite prop, and I want to share it with you quickly. This is the Mandalorian Bergman 1890 nothing. This one took me a while to figure out. When I've been doing a lot of these classic props, I've been trying to find the gun or machine or whatever it's based on and finding the schematics for that, reversing that, and then building it into a prop, much like the prop department did. But in this case, it was driving me nuts because it didn't match any existing Bergman out there. And it took me a little bit to find out, but what I believe they did is actually 3D modeled a Bergman based off a picture. So I took some pictures of their picture-based Bergman and made my own. So here you go. These grips are actually CNC cut on my CNC out of oak, but I got 3D models of them for you as well. Don't worry, you don't need to do that. The cleaning rod is removable, but the coolest part of this is, sorry, got to work in reverse on my camera here. A speaker. This thing is fully electronic. I'd like to show you here. This is my very messy prototype version of the same one. I was just wiring up. There's quite a few parts to get in here, but nothing that's worth more than $2 or $3. I think this thing altogether cost about $8 worth of electronics. I will be releasing the schematics for this as well as the code, and I've teamed up with a fantastic software developer who's took my hacky push a button, make a light, make a sound code, and turned it into something really special that I'd like to show you right now. First off, on the other side, the power, actually it was on that side. The power switch is actually the selector here. When we turn it on, powers it up, and then, go figure, the trigger shoots it. It's using an addressable LED, one of those nanopixels in the end, so it changes colors. And check this out. Uh-oh. Ran out of ammo. Now there's a second mode for second magazine, which I realized really isn't quite canon, but I thought it was fun. So hold the trigger down for a second, and you have a full second magazine. Different color mode on it, different sounds on it. And I ran out of that. To reload it, you just take the safety here, flip it up, flip it back down again, and boom, you are reloaded. So I will be releasing this in a few days on my Thingiverse page, and I will be, well, actually, I won't be. Craig, who did this fantastic code for this, will be releasing it along with me on GitHub. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. Hey, that's way out of focus. Anyway, you get the picture, and have a great evening, all.